If you are building apps in 2026, rather than investing more time into designing fancy UI or fancy screens, you should be more focused on making your apps AI accessible. Because your high value customers, your high value users are already using AI into their day-to-day life so intensively. Users can now chat with AI, talk with AI, or even can do video call with AI for ordering food, for ordering services, and even doing online payments without even opening your website or app at all. Yes, AI can now directly communicate with your backend on behalf of its users for getting things done. So this is our technology architecture. So it basically starts with your database layer. Then on top of that, you are having your application layer, which is providing APIs and microservices to your front-end applications. Now in this picture, you just need to add one more thing, and that is MCP, so that all the AI assistants like Claude, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, ElevenLabs agent, even iPhone Siri can communicate with your system or services directly. Also, you can use these MCP connections with Antigravity or Cursor coding tools to develop your application as well. MCP is not a complex system or a new thing to develop for you. Basically, it's just a simple wrapper around your existing APIs, which contains your documentation for APIs as well. It acts like a single point of contact for other AI services to communicate with your system. It is as simple like that. So we had enough talk now, and let's build our system from scratch. So let's start with setting up our database. So my preferred database is Postgres, and I use Neon service to set up my database. So I just log into my account, create new database, select my region, and just create it. So your database is created now. You have to just copy this connection string. Okay, and save it as a secure location. Okay. Okay, let's set up Directus now. So Directus is an open source headless CMS which can run on top of your new or existing database and provide services like MCP, REST API, and WebSocket. The interesting part about Directus is it can run independently within your database without touching your existing tables or fields schema. So let's set up Directus now. So let me open my terminal. I will create this in my study project. Okay, so let me create the environment file first. I will just mention DB client as PG and DB connection as the URL we just copied from the new one. Okay, so let me install Directus on it. Okay, so setup is done. Let me start the Directus. And Directus is running at localhost 8055. So if I open this locally, it start me to set up. I will place admin at admin.com. Always keep secure password in production environment. This is just a testing. So I'm keeping a simple password now. So Direct is basically free up to 5 million in annual revenue. After that, you have to get into licensing. This is pretty standard with a lot of open source libraries now, like Elasticsearch and Redis and everyone. And I'm launched it. Yes. So this is our pretty much blank setup right now. There is nothing into the system. So all you have to do is go to setting. Now we will enable MCP first. So now in settings, in AI, we can also specify the AI models into it as well. But now we are only interested in MCP. Just enable the MCP. Just one tick and your MCP service is enabled. You can also allow deletes and additional settings here as well. Okay. So let me save it. So MCP is enabled now. The next thing, we need to get the access token. That process we can automate as well. But now I will create the static access token for my admin user to be accessible by MCP. So I come into users, and here I will just create the token. So this is my access token. So that's it. Our director setup is ready. Now let me add some sample data. Okay, so that we can access into our Claude or ChatGPT or ElevenLabs agent. Okay, so I will be using Antigravity for setting up the collection and sample data over here. Okay, so before that, let me connect our system via MCP server. So go to manage MCP server. It's pretty standard setup. View config. So our MCP URL is simple, like as we are running on it localhost. So it's simple like that, MCP. Okay, and we have to pass the access token. So we will simply pass access token like this. Let me refresh it. So as you can see, the MCP server is connected successfully. You can see same into this terminal as well, like MCP has been connected. So now we will go to our agent and ask it to create a sample data set. So I will just create a sample data set of appointments for next 3 days for the clinic in Pune, India. Use Directus MCP for simple. So let me go to fast mode and just run it. So as you can see, our MCP tools are getting activated. AI is doing its job. So collection is getting created, name appointments. So if you just refresh it, you can see the appointment collection now. Okay, now our AI tool is creating the sample data into it. Yes, so our sample data is ready. Yes, so now let's proceed with connecting this to Claude and ElevenLabs. Okay, now let's connect the Claude. Before running Claude, we need to make this service available over the internet. So we will be using ngrok for this. So this is our URL. In settings, developer settings, let me edit the config. Okay, so if you go to directors documentation, you will get this code over here. Okay, just copy this code and put it over here. So the directors URL we need to place that we get from ngrok. So this is our directors URL. We need access token. That's it. Now we have to restart the Claude. So we can go here and see. We can see directors over here. So list my appointments. Use directors MCP. See, Claude is directly connected to our system. and it is now showing the appointments. So basically, right now, as we are using it for local development, we have to connect it manually. But once you publish your connectors, it will be available in connector marketplace. So you have to make your service available to this connector so that Claude can access it directly. Go to ElevenLabs. Let's set up our ElevenLabs agent. Go to app, select agents, create new agent. I will just start with the blank one. I will just create the agent. Okay, now let's add the MCP. Custom MCP. It's a streamable HTTP. Let me select now this admin one. It's no approval. Just I trust this server. I think that would be enough. Let me select that. Okay. So let me try first if it works. Oh, okay, I have to select the 4.1 milli at least to get it working. Hello, how can I help you today? Can you get all my appointments?
You have several appointments scheduled. For example, Vikas Gupta has an orthopedics appointment in Pune on March 15th from 8:30 to 9:30 in the morning. Karan Deshmukh has a cardiology appointment on March 17th from 11 to 11:30 in the morning. There are also appointments for Ravi who March 16th has been canceled.
Thank you.
Like details?
Thank you for your assistance.
You're welcome.
You can continue setting up your ElevenLabs agent with WhatsApp, AI voice chats. Detailed tutorial video is available on my channel. You can check it out. And thank you for watching till the end. Let me know if you have any queries or any comments or feedback. I can help you with as much as possible. Thank you.